Hi, I'm Rick Gordon, and I'm here to help. Hi, welcome to Indian Motorcycle Radio, and I'm your host, Rick Gordon. It's wintertime here in the Northeast, which gives us an opportunity to do things to our bikes that we don't have time to when we're riding them, like maintenance or modifications. This video series is going to focus on easy, simple to do modifications. And first we're going to start off with this. This one's real simple. It's just 2 screws. So let's get to it.
Okay.
This brake pedal is nice, but not nice enough. So we're going to replace it with this beautiful Spear brake pedal that's got a little bit of chrome on it, and I love chrome. You know, there's an old adage that says you can never have too much chrome on your motorcycle. I disagree. So with this handy tool, oh boy, here we go. There we go. It's beautiful, and it only takes a second to put on. So I'm gonna put this over here, and then loosen up these 2 bolts. Make sure I'm going in the right direction. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Let's back it out a little bit. See, real simple. And one more. There we go. We will save the old one, probably try to refurbish it and maybe sell it online, or hand it down to my son who's doing the video. All right. This one just goes right back where the old one went to. Put both screws in. Hand tight. Now, just to let you know, I'm not a mechanic, but I am also not afraid to turn a wrench occasionally. So if I can do anything to my bike that I don't have to pay somebody else to do, that's always a bonus. And you get a wonderful sense of satisfaction. The other thing I would mention, anytime you're using screws on your bike, make sure that you have a torque wrench handy, and you want to use some Loctite. I prefer the blue because it's a lot easier to break through if something goes awry. If you use the red, you're dead. Okay. I'm not using a torque wrench right now because it's not handy, but you get the general idea. And boom, done. Get a little close-up shot there. So much better. Old one, new one.
No.
And that's it. Couldn't have been easier. Now remember, that's something you can do yourself. And there's plenty more where that came from because I got a buttload of accessories for Christmas this year. So keep watching the series as we just keep adding to this beautiful bike piece by piece. All right? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.